Welcome to my lungs physical diagram tutorial. What you're going to need is an empty bottle, a pair of scissors, and 2 balloons. Firstly, about 3/4 down of the bottle, you're going to cut off the bottom. Try to make this as even as possible. Then, cut off the top of your first balloon, stretch it, and tie the nozzle end. Stretch it a lot before stretching it over the cut part of the water bottle.
Tell me more, I got a box cutter with your name on it. Tell me more, I can't stay this long on the same topic.
Finally, you're going to place your second balloon through the cap of the bottle and stretch the elasticity over the cap. And you're done. This model demonstrates how when you inhale, your lungs expand.